Are you ready to snag the best deals of the year? Wondering which hot items you absolutely can't miss this Prime Day 2024? Stay tuned because we're about to unveil the biggest discounts and most exciting products that you need to add to your cart right now. Number 1. Beats Solo 3 was $200, now $119 at Amazon. These wireless headphones offer exceptional sound quality and a comfortable fit, featuring the Apple W1 chip for seamless pairing with Apple devices and up to 40 hours of battery life. With a quick 5-minute charge, you can enjoy up to 3 hours of playback. Available in rose gold and black, the Solo 3 provides premium sound with fine-tuned acoustics, ensuring an immersive listening experience. The adjustable cushioned ear cups and sleek foldable design make them perfect for on-the-go use, combining durability and style. Number 2. Amazon Fire TV 55-inch Omni QLED Series 4K TV was $599.99, now $419.99 at Amazon. Enhance your viewing experience with the Amazon Fire TV 55-inch Omni QLED Series 4K TV, now available for $419.99. This TV is a major upgrade in the smart TV category, featuring a QLED display that offers vibrant colors and deep contrasts. With HDR and Dolby Vision support, you get an exceptional picture quality that makes every scene come alive. Additionally, the built-in Alexa voice control allows you to navigate content, control smart home devices, and get information hands-free, making it a smart and valuable addition to any living room. Number 3. Ninja Air Fryer Pro was $119.99, now $89.99 at Amazon, is a versatile kitchen appliance that offers a healthier way to cook your favorite foods. With a 5-quart capacity, it's perfect for preparing meals for the entire family. The air fryer features preset functions for air frying, roasting, reheating, and dehydrating, making it easy to cook a variety of dishes. Its compact design ensures it fits comfortably on your countertop without taking up too much space. The appliance also boasts a user-friendly interface and easy-to-clean parts, making it a convenient addition to any kitchen. Number 4. GoPro Hero 12 Black Bundle was $449.99, now $349 at Amazon. Dive into the world of action photography with the GoPro Hero 12 Black Bundle. This bundle includes everything you need to start capturing stunning footage right out of the box, providing 91% more detail than 4K, along with exceptional image quality and HDR support. Its rugged and waterproof design ensures it can withstand any adventure, from extreme sports to underwater exploration. Number 5. Echo Dot 5th Gen was $49.99, now $24.99 at Amazon, a 50% discount off its original price. This smart speaker offers improved audio quality, making it perfect for playing music, podcasts, and audiobooks. It also features a built-in temperature sensor and the full range of Alexa's capabilities, allowing you to control smart home devices, get weather updates, set reminders, and more, all with your voice. Despite being $2 cheaper in past sales, this is still a fantastic deal for anyone looking to add a versatile and powerful smart speaker to their home. Number 6. Ring Indoor Cam 2nd Generation was $59.99, now $29.99 at Amazon. This compact security camera provides 1080p HD video with live view and color night vision, ensuring clear and detailed footage day or night. Stay informed with real-time alerts when the camera detects movement, and customize your motion zones to receive notifications only for the areas that matter most. The indoor cam integrates seamlessly with Alexa-enabled devices, allowing you to hear custom notifications from your Echo Dot, launch video with Echo Show, and enjoy hands-free home monitoring for added convenience and peace of mind. Number 7. Sunny Health and Fitness Rowing Machine was $129.99, now $89.99 at Amazon. This rowing machine features 12 adjustable resistance levels, making it suitable for everyone from beginners to advanced users. Its hydraulic resistance system ensures a seamless and silent workout, safeguarding your joints while helping you achieve your fitness goals. The lightweight design is perfect for compact living spaces and prioritizes noise control, allowing you to transform your workout into an enjoyable, low-impact, full-body, fat-burning experience. Enjoy watching your favorite shows while staying fit effortlessly with this versatile and user-friendly rowing machine. Number 8. Apple iPad 10.9, 2022. Was $349, now $324 at Amazon. This latest iteration of Apple's base-level tablet features a larger 10.9-inch liquid retina display, providing vibrant colors and sharp details. The A14 Bionic chip ensures smooth performance for multitasking, gaming, and media consumption. Improved cameras enhance video calls and photo quality, while USB-C support offers faster charging and more versatile connectivity. With a sleek and modern design, this iPad is a great value for anyone looking for a reliable and powerful tablet. Number 9. Apple Watch SE2 GPS 44mm was $249, now $189 at Amazon. The Apple Watch SE2, now priced at $189, offers excellent value for a mid-range smartwatch. It features a Retina display, S8 chip, and a comprehensive suite of health and fitness tracking capabilities, including heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and workout detection. While it lacks advanced features like the ECG and blood oxygen sensors found in higher-end models, it still provides a robust and reliable smartwatch experience. With impressive battery life and seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem, it's an ideal choice for anyone looking to stay connected and active. Number 10. Dyson AirStrait Straightener was $499.99, now $399 at Amazon. The Dyson AirStrait Straightener is now available for $399, saving you $100 off the list price. This innovative hair tool is designed to dry and straighten hair simultaneously, saving you time and effort in your styling routine. It features intelligent heat control to prevent damage and ensure consistent results. In testing, it effectively straightened thick, wavy hair in just 10 minutes. While there are cheaper alternatives available, the quality and performance of Dyson products make this a worthwhile investment for achieving salon-quality results at home. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more great content. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.